after a few years, again he starts thinking, he starts analyzing, what is going on? I am just living the same life, eating, moving around, and just normal life. I feel something seriously is missing. I am missing something. I found whatever a person can get, best things, but inside me some emptiness, something is empty. I don't feel fulfilled. What is happening to me? He started searching. The seeking starts. Maybe he's around the age of 40. He's around the age of 40. Then suddenly one day, lion attacks the sheep again, attacks the flock again. When the lion attacked the flock, all the sheep ran away. This lion sheep, neither lion nor sheep, the lion sheep, it neither felt like running away, nor it had the courage to stand and face. Because the guy who is trying to attack, he looks so graceful. Something is different. He has never seen a being or a beast like this. So slowly, somehow, unconsciously, this lion sheep feels attracted towards lion. Because of that attraction, neither he ran away, nor he had the courage to stand, because he thinks he is a sheep. So he slowly walks, looking at the lion, he walks. He is walking behind, but looking at the lion. His face is towards the lion, but he is slowly walking. Lion straight away comes near him and catches him. This fellow starts blurting, "Oh, leave me, don't kill me, don't kill me." Lion says, "Fool, I have not come to kill you. You are a lion. Why are you shouting? Why are you blurting? Why are you thinking that I am going to kill you? You are a lion." He said, "Lion?" Then the sheep lion started thinking that this lion is trying to cheat and take him to the forest. So he got frightened. No, leave me. Don't tell me all these things. Leave me. Lion said, "Fool, you are a lion. Why don't you understand?" He said, No, I am sheep. And somehow he escaped and ran away. Even though he escaped and ran away, he is not able to forget the lion. He is not able to forget the lion. After 1 week, again, he started feeling like meeting the lion. 1 week that fear will be there. After the first glimpse, how the Arjuna had, once you have the first experience, there will be little fear after the first experience. And after a week, the fear slowly subsided. This guy started thinking again, I think I should meet that lion once more. One part of the mind is saying, no, I am afraid, he may kill me. The other part of being is saying, no, it was a bliss, such a bliss, so beautiful, so graceful. I think we should meet him. Please be very clear. Unless you have enlightenment within yourself, you will not feel attracted towards an enlightened person. If you feel attached, if you feel connected, if you feel that you are in tune with an enlightened person, be very clear, you have enlightenment within you already. If you don't have that already within you, you will not even feel connected. If you have not grown, if you have not become mature to that level, you will not even feel connected. So there are millions of people in this city. Why only few hundred are sitting here? And not only that, there are thousands of people who have come and gone. Why only few hundred are sitting regularly? The moment you feel attracted towards this teaching, be very clear, The enlightenment which is in you has started expressing, started opening. That's the reason. The lion sheep or sheep lion feels or remembers the lion. Then it thinks, I think I should go and see the lion. But how to see? You don't know. Lion never sends flyer. Here I am doing program. Or you can meet me there. How to see? But he waits. This sheep lion always comes near the forest. He comes to the boundary of the forest, the boundary of the meadow and the forest. He waits there every day. Can I catch the glimpse of the lion? After 2-3 months, again once more the lion appears. But the moment this sheep lion sees the lion, again he is caught in the fear. He is waiting more than 3-4 months to see the lion, but the moment he saw him, again the fear came up. This time the lion came near and asked, how are you? The sheep lion said, he started blurting again. I said, no, I'm. He's not able to answer, but he's not running away. Earlier he ran away. This time he's not running away, but he's not able to answer. The lion said, don't worry, if you are afraid, I will go away. I am not going to kill you because you are a lion. I won't eat you. I can't eat you. So I won't kill you. And I have no use because of you. I have no use because of you. There is no need for me to be here if you are afraid. If you are not afraid, I will stay here and spend few minutes with you. Otherwise I am going. When the lion started walking back, the sheep lion shouted, no, please be here, please be here. Please spend few minutes with me. Then the sheep lion says, don't come very close, you can stand little distance, but talk. I want to spend some time with you, but not very close, at some distance. Please be there, at 10 feet distance. And I will stand here, but please spend some time with me. The sheep lion, neither he is able to forget the lion, nor he wants to go near. This is the next phase. Neither he is able to live near, nor he wants to escape. So around 15 feet distance, he stands and talks. But again and again, the lion is saying, you are a lion, fool, you are thinking you are a sheep, and you are living with that other, your friends. They are not your friends. They are not your life. This is not the way you are supposed to live. This guy starts thinking. Slowly the doubt, maybe this lion is trying to take me inside the forest and eat. That doubt has disappeared. Now, the sheep lion understood. Lion is not saying all these things because lion has got some benefit. No, lion has no benefit because of me. It has no benefit by me. I have nothing to offer to him. And he is not going to have any benefit from me. Only when that confidence comes, only when that happens in disciple's mind, he starts trusting the words of the master. That is why in the Vedic system, spiritual knowledge is always free. We believed spiritual knowledge is free unless you understand, no way I am going to contribute to the master. No way master is missing me. I am not going to add anything to him which he is not having. Only when you understand that, you will start trusting his words. The trust between the master and disciple will happen only when disciple understands, I have nothing to add in his being. He has got enough of everything. He is overflowing. He is sharing because he is overflowing. He is not giving anything to take something from me. He is just overflowing. It is his very being. Only when you understand that, you will start trusting the Master's words.